megahertz from Onondaga. Those counties are Branch, Calhoun, Clinton, Eaton, Gratiot, Hillsdale, Ingham, Jackson, Livingston, and Shiawassee. On 162.425 megahertz from West Olive, those counties are Allegan, Muskegon, and Ottawa. On 162.475 megahertz from Hesperia, those counties are Muskegon, Newaygo, and Oceana. On 162.525 megahertz from Mount Pleasant, those counties are Clare, Gratiot, Isabella, Mecosta, Midland, Montcalm, and Osceola. On 162.55 megahertz from Cannonsburg, those counties are Allegan, Barry, Ionia, Kent, Montcalm, Muskegon, Newaygo, Oceana, and Ottawa. On 162.475 megahertz from Plainwell, those counties are Allegan, Barry, Van Buren, Kalamazoo, and Calhoun. And finally, on 162.425 megahertz from Wolf Lake, those counties are Manistee, Wexford, Mason, Lake, Osceola, Oceana, Newaygo, and Mecosta. This concludes the test of the no-weather radio warning alarm device.
Here is the nearshore forecast for...
There's no WT. I just made a breakfast sandwich and it went off, so here we go.